Nebulae. Nebulae are clouds of dust and gas in space. The word nebulae is plural. The singular is nebula. The gases found in nebulae are mostly hydrogen and a smaller quantity of helium. The particles of gas and dust are very far apart in nebulae. A nebula the same size as the Earth would have a mass of only a few kilograms. Most nebulae are very large. Many nebulae are more than 10,000 times bigger than the solar system. Some nebulae form when giant stars reach the end of their life. These giant stars then explode, sending dust and gas over a wide area of space. There are many nebulae visible from Earth. If you live in the Northern Hemisphere, one of the easiest nebulae to see is the Orion Nebula. The Northern Hemisphere is the part of the Earth that is north of the equator. You can see the Orion Nebula without a telescope. The picture shows what the Orion Nebula looks like through a very powerful telescope. If you live in the Southern Hemisphere, the easiest nebula to see is the Tarantula Nebula. The Southern Hemisphere is the part of the Earth that is south of the equator. This nebula is also visible without using a telescope. The picture shows what the Tarantula Nebula looks like through a powerful telescope. Stellar nurseries. A stellar nursery is an area in space where stars are formed. The word stellar can use to describe anything about stars. A nursery is a place to care for young people, animals, or plants. In this case, the word nursery applies to young stars. Some types of nebulae act as stellar nurseries. In a stellar nursery, the dust and gas can start to collapse together under the force of gravity. When the mass of dust and gas collects together and becomes larger, the force of gravity pulling inward increases. When this force gets very large, the pressure inside the new star also gets very large. The high pressure causes heat. The heat can cause atoms to react with each other, causing the new star to give out heat and light. The picture shows a stellar nursery photographed from space. You can see the young stars inside the cloud. Some of these stars are only half the mass of the sun and have not yet reached their full brightness. The light from the stars lights up the dust and gas in the cloud.
What are nebulae made of? What is the singular of nebulae? Which gas is mostly found in nebulae? Which gas is found in smaller amounts? How are particles spaced in nebulae? A nebula Earth-sized would mass about? How big are many nebulae? Some nebulae form when giant stars. Which nebula is easy to see north? Which nebula is easy to see south?